You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce these names? If you want to hear more Native American names, make sure to stay tuned. We actually have a really good video of a local, a native, who says it himself. Let's hear.
Nlaka'pamux.
Nlaka'pamux, as far as I understand, is how we say it. That was a bit quick, wasn't it? Nlaka'pamux. Nlaka'pamux. As far as I understand, that's how he says it. Nlaka'pamux. Let's hear it again.
All of us as a community, and it kind of embodies that those family roles that we have. What I'll talk to you about today is a word that we have from our community in our language, and our language
it's coming back.
Is Nlaka'pamux.
Nlaka'pamux is how it is pronounced. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.